Pecans are a type of nut similar to walnuts and is packed with minerals and vitamins. So now I'll show you how to make homemade healthy pecan nut butter. Start off with 3 cups of pecans. If you want to make more butter, just add more pecans. These pecans will now be toasted in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. If you're using a stove instead of oven, just roast your pecans on medium-low heat for 5 minutes until golden brown. When your pecans look something like this, it is golden brown but not extremely burnt. Put it on a cool part of the stove to rest. You could also put it on a dry towel to rest. After your pecans are cooled, you would want to add them in a food processor or a blender and blend. When your pecans are in the food processor, you want to put them in the food processor, put on the lid, and blend. You also want to scrape down the sides to make blending faster and easier. If you want pure normal pecan butter, keep on blending, but if you want your pecan butter to have a chocolate, vanilla, and cinnamon taste, I'm going to demonstrate that right now. When it reaches a consistency like this, you'd want to open your lid, put half tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. The vanilla essence is flexible depending on how strong your vanilla essence is. After you have added all those ingredients, you'd want to keep on blending. When your mixture reaches a consistency like shown here, then you know that your pecan butter is ready and you could store it in an airtight container in the fridge and it will last about a month. I found that 3 cups of pecans will make about 1 jar of pecan butter. If you have any requests for any videos, please put them in the comment section and I will try to upload them. Thank you for watching.